Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is my Pride Month look number 1. I'm going to try to do at least one look a week. And these pigments I'm using is from one of my friends, Born to Reign. I purchased them off her website, so I will definitely tag her in my description. I haven't really done a wing like this that was colorful like this before. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And my next video I will be uploading is a tie-dye video, and I also have a couple of hair tutorials that I need to edit, as well as food. I just been lazy, but I love how this look came together. All right, so first I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible eye paint in white because I'm going to do a wing. I want it to look like a wing, so I'm using this to basically map out my area of where I want my wing to be. Oh, I forgot to mention I got my nails done. I don't think they were supposed to be open, but it is what it is. I got them done. Ayy. So I figure with a white base, the shadows will look a lot better, which they do. Very pigmented. Then I'm going to take my LA Pro Concealer white base, and I'm going to use an angled eyeliner brush and apply that on top of the liner. And my right wing looked so much better than my left. I had messed this one up and I just didn't have time to try to fix it. I could have used some concealer and micellar water, but I was running late at this point. So now I'm going to take some translucent setting powder and just pat it right on top of the concealer, my primer, to set it. Okay, and now I'm just going into each color using pink, then I'm going to go into blue, then I'm going to go into the yellow. She doesn't have a green pigment, so I use green from my Mood palette by Laura Sanchez. And I'm using paint brushes and the smallest brushes that I have. I was looking for my brush. And I actually thought I paused my video at this point, so bear with me. I was going to leave my brows like this, but at the last moment I decided to do some color on it. I feel like it tied in with the look and made it look a whole lot better. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's my son loading the dishwasher. Okay, now I'm going to take this LA Girl eyeliner. I'm not sure what shade it is, but I just picked it up at CVS because it was a color that I didn't have for my waterline. But that's what it looks like. And then I'm going to take the purple from my Laura Sanchez Mood palette to smoke out my lower lash line. You know me, when I'm doing a colorful look, I have to add purple in there somewhere, because that's my favorite color. And now I'm just going to take my gold glitter liner from Kiss and outline my wing. And my line wasn't as sharp on this one, but hey, it happens. I'm going to get my fan and dry that glitter down so when I blink it doesn't get all in my crease. I forgot to mention, you can go over the pigments that's needed to intensify it, or if you feel like the color isn't as bright as you want to. I probably went over them at least twice. Now I'm going to take that same base I used for my eyes with the same angled eyeliner brush and just apply that directly on my brow. Then I'm going to pat some translucent setting powder on there to set it. And next I'm going to take an angled eyeliner brush and apply purple. First I was going to do purple and pink and blue, but it wasn't coming out right, so I just did purple and blue. Excuse me. Then I'm going to take my NYX Control Freak Clear Brow Gel to set my brows, make sure they stay in place, and also so the eyeshadow doesn't fade. Help it lock it in place. And now I'm going to highlight my brow bone. And these are the pigments that I use. And that's what I use for my waterline. Okay, now I'm going to take my NYX Cosmic Metals Fushia Fusion for my lips today. I feel like since I was doing a very colorful eye, I should have a very colorful, bright, bold lip as well. Now I'm going to set my face using my Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. Spray a little bit more and make sure those pigments really stay all day. And there you have it. Here's the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I love you guys so much, and if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Next video I will be posting is my tie-dye. Love you guys, and I love these pigments from Born to Reign. Bye.